EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for December 8th, 2020. I purposely started this image here as just after midnight because I wanted to show where the upper level low was located, which is this circle right here at the base of the trough. So this is our the core of the trough settling in today. The upper level low is sitting back here. The system offshore that was speculated might meet up with this upper level low and bring this a little bit closer did not happen, so this is staying separate. But because this upper level low is still in the vicinity early this morning, we'll have a few clouds early this morning until this pulls away, and then skies will become gradually mostly sunny throughout the day today. So start off with a few clouds this morning. Any morning clouds give way to sun, and that's out of here. But we are still going to have the colder temperatures with this trough still in place through Wednesday. Now, Wednesday's a little interesting, too. We have a very weak northern system disturbance that's going to move down across New York State here and then northern New England, and a few snow showers are going to be taking place across, at the very least, our northern and central regions, but it might venture a little bit further south all the way down to the I-95 corridor as far as snow falling, but there's a discernible difference between snow falling and snow sticking. Okay, so I do think we're going to see snowflakes, and snowflakes pretty far south, not just where you normally see them across northeast PA and northern New Jersey. We're expecting that to be a little bit further south and east, and you can see that here on the high-resolution rapid refresh, and I just loaded this one here because I think it has a better consistency with what it's showing here with this batch of snow coming in, and it's going to come in rather early on Wednesday morning, so it might start in the pre-dawn hours and work into, but out of here by about mid-morning or so here on Wednesday. But you will see some snow flying here in the morning. And again, this is going to take place across central PA, northeast PA first, and work its way down. Here's 5 a.m., 6, here's 7. At 7 a.m., it's over all of eastern Pennsylvania, to include the Lehigh Valley and the northern and western suburbs of Philadelphia. And that goes all the way down to the I-95 corridor by mid-morning before that pulls away here by late morning across southern New Jersey. It's showing here snow. So again, snow falling and snow sticking are two different things. So if I take this and make this into a winter snow map, this is what we're looking at. Now this is assuming that everything falls sticks. Now it is coming in early in the morning, and if it does come in early enough in the morning, it's going to be very cold overnight with temperatures getting down to the 20s. So if it can get in here early enough, we could get some precipitation, some of the snow sticking, at the very least on non-paved surfaces. I think it would be a non-paved surface deal that we would have these accumulations, but we're looking at generally a coating to a half-inch type stuff for most areas. Some areas could get locally higher than that, but I think it's just going to be a coating to a half-inch, just enough to get everything, get the ground coated and cover the cars and make you brush off the car, that kind of thing. So this will be, I think this is the most overzealous look I've seen of any model with regard to snowfall accumulations here on Wednesday morning. So some of the other models that I look at, if I look at take a look at some of these other ones here, it's considerably less, and it looks like the elevations are going to see the actual accumulations that would be the coating to half-inch. That's generally up here in the Poconos. Further south, there are just isolated coatings in the colder spots. And again, it's going to come down to timing of this to see what you're going to get as far as accumulations go here on Wednesday morning. Okay, so this is going to be out here rather quickly, and here you can see that where that snow is going to occur. And again, maybe rain-snow mix further south where it's a little bit milder and temperatures are not quite as cold. So as we move forward from this point, we get to Wednesday's going to actually warm up in the afternoon to get a little bit warmer slightly than today. Today's going to be a repeat of the last 2 days as far as temperatures are concerned, both highs and low temperatures. So many of us stuck in the 30s, and then going into the overnight, we're back into the 20s. Again, Wednesday are going to be back above 40, it looks like, and we're getting into the lower 40s or low to mid 40s for highs. So anything that comes in the morning will obviously melt. And then Thursday, we're going to turn much milder here with temperatures getting in the upper 40s to near 50 for highs and mostly sunny conditions. Well, going beyond this point, we expect a partly cloudy day here on Friday. Again, still staying mild. It's going to stay mild straight through the end of the week, right through the weekend, actually. And then Saturday, it's a little indeterminable whether or not we're going to have any precipitation here on Saturday. If you have something, it may be just in the early part of Saturday with a warm front ahead of this next system. But many areas are going to stay dry here on Saturday, or at least mostly dry. And then looks like Saturday night into Sunday morning is when we have some showers coming into the region with this cold front moving through, but the cold air push doesn't come in behind it until Monday. We turn breezy on Monday and temperatures dropping. Temperatures over the weekend are going to be the low to mid 50s for highs, and then we get back down to near 40 or thereabout for highs here on Monday with those breezy conditions and the colder air settling back in. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for December 8th, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.